Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2014 Mercedes-Benz ML350 4MATIC. This has a black exterior with a tan interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, Formatic, Mercedes-Benz and ML350 badging, power opening and closing trunk, rear seats, quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Look at the sunroof there. Memory seats with the driver's seat controls here. Driver door controls. Driver's seat. Steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 35,639, and we have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz navigation system, radio, and backup camera. Climate control. Center console. And Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.